name is Marianne. I've been working with Legal Soft Solutions for about 4 months now. I was hired as one of the first case managers. Currently, I'm working with lawyers who handle personal injury cases like car accidents, assault, and slip and falls. My main task would be to write demand letters, create exhibits, talk to medical providers and make sure that the billing and records are complete, and also talk to clients directly and interrogate them about their case. This is my first virtual assistance experience. In the beginning it was difficult because I had no clue on what to do, but luckily I'm able to work with lawyers who guaranteed that they will be working with me hand in hand to make sure that I learn and complete my task to perfection. What I enjoy most is the open communication I have with my team. And here I am now. I'm one of the top performers, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity and for the people I work with, not only with the lawyers, but also the management of Legal Soft Solutions.